Have you ever gazed at the moonlit sky and pondered what if the Earth and the Moon were the same size? This intriguing thought introduces a universe of possibilities and shifts in our comprehension of space, time, and even life itself. Firstly, we delve into the realm of tidal forces and stability. Today, the Moon's gravitational pull originates tides on Earth, and the intensity of these tides fluctuates depending on the Moon's position relative to Earth. Should the Moon be Earth's equal in size, the gravitational forces between them would amplify, leading to more drastic tidal effects. This potential shift would profoundly impact coastal ecosystems and human settlements near the ocean. Next, we explore the intricate world of orbital dynamics. The gravitational bond between Earth and the Moon is delicately balanced, allowing for stable orbits and fairly predictable motions. Yet, if both bodies were identical in size, their gravitational ballet would be dramatically altered. Their orbits could become unstable over time, possibly leading to collisions, or even the creation of a binary planet system. Then, we turn to atmospheric effects. The Moon's smaller size and absence of atmosphere significantly influence its appearance and surface conditions. If it were to match Earth's size, it would likely possess a much denser atmosphere, potentially supporting life as we understand it. This could pave the way for moon colonization and the establishment of human settlements beyond our home planet. We also consider the cultural and societal implications. The Moon has been a beacon of curiosity and inspiration for humanity, representing mystery, exploration, and wonder. If it were to match Earth's size, our relationship with it would inevitably evolve. Lunar exploration and colonization would become more viable, and the Moon could transform into a bustling center of scientific research, commerce, and culture. Finally, we examine the cosmic significance. The Earth-Moon system holds an essential role in the broader context of our solar system and beyond. If both bodies were identical in size, it would modify the gravitational interactions between them and other celestial bodies, potentially affecting the orbits of nearby planets and asteroids. This could have far-reaching implications for the stability and evolution of our solar system over time. To wrap up, envisioning a world where Earth and the Moon are the same size unveils a fascinating spectrum of possibilities. From modified tidal forces and orbital dynamics to the potential for lunar colonization and cosmic significance, the implications are enormous and thought-provoking. While such a scenario may only be a figment of our imagination for now, it underscores the complex and interconnected nature of our universe.